Hello everyone. This is
전주 한옥마을.
Jeonju Hanok Village, where graceful tiled roofs ripple like waves. Today with me, Madam J, shall we learn the Korean of the heart? We feel so many emotions each day: joy, sadness, flutter. When you can put those feelings into words, Korean grows much warmer. So today's theme is
감정 표현.
expressing emotions, and a step deeper, describing subtle feelings. We'll even catch emotions that look alike but differ ever so slightly. Strolling slowly through the Hanok alleys, your heart settles too. Learning emotion words in such a calm place, they'll stay with you a long time. A little hint first. In Korean, most feeling words are
형용사.
adjectives, words that paint a state like
기쁘다.
to be glad, and
슬프다.
to be sad. Now let's begin today's lesson in this cozy alley. Are you ready to gently look inside your heart? There are 4 core feelings to master today.
기쁘다.
To be happy,
슬프다.
to be sad,
긴장되다.
to feel nervous, and
속상하다.
to be upset. Let's meet them one by one. First,
기쁘다.
to be happy. The feeling of your heart brightening when something good happens. A smile spreads across your face. Use it like this.
합격 소식을 들어서 정말 기뻐요.
I'm so glad to hear I passed. Say it brightly, the listener grows glad with you. Second,
슬프다.
to be sad. That heavy feeling when your heart sinks and your eyes grow warm.
헤어지게 되어서 슬퍼요.
I'm sad because we have to part. When you're sad, saying it honestly like this can be a great comfort. Third,
긴장되다.
to feel nervous. Heart pounding, body stiffening before something important. Picture the moment right before a presentation.
면접을 앞두고 있어서 너무 긴장돼요.
I'm so nervous with the interview ahead. Take a deep breath and soothe yourself. It's okay, I can do it. Fourth,
속상하다.
to be upset. When things don't go your way and your heart aches, a sore, stuffy feeling. It's used very often.
실수를 해서 많이 속상해요.
I'm really upset because I made a mistake. Don't bottle it up. Share it like this with someone close and it'll feel lighter. One more.
설레다.
To feel a flutter. The pleasant thrill of your heart pattering as you look forward to something good. There are more.
화나다.
To be angry, and
걱정되다.
to be worried. Pick the one that fits the moment. Let's recap. Glad, sad, nervous, upset. Just these 4 already let you share a whole day's heart. Now a step further, how to say why you feel that way, joining the cause to the feeling. Let's learn the link that connects them. That link is
아서.
and
어서.
connective endings that join a cause. Bright vowels take.
아서.
The rest take.
어서.
An example.
시험이 끝나서 기뻐요.
I'm glad because the exam is over. Cause first feeling next.
끝나다.
Plus,
아서.
becomes.
끝나서.
Hear it. The why flows right into the feeling. Speaking this way lets others understand your heart much more deeply. Now the sad side.
비가 와서 속상해요.
I'm upset because it rained.
오다.
turns into.
와서,
You can picture a child whose picnic was cancelled. Every feeling has a reason. Reveal it gently with,
아서, 어서,
and it becomes not a complaint but a heartfelt story. Nervousness too.
발표가 있어서 긴장돼요.
I'm nervous because I have a presentation. Naming the cause makes it easy for others to cheer. You'll do great. Add flutter.
오랜 친구를 만나서 설레요.
I feel a flutter because I'm meeting an old friend. The anticipation rides on.
아서,
Pit-a-pat. One more.
칭찬을 들어서 뿌듯해요.
I feel proud because I was praised.
뿌듯하다.
Proud and content is that warm filling feeling. In sum, cuz plus.
아서, 어서,
Plus feeling. This one line conveys both what you feel and why all at once. Now today's highlight. Feelings that look similar but differ in texture. Knowing these subtle shades lets you paint your heart with real delicacy.
속상하다.
Is when things go wrong.
서운하다.
To feel let down is the quiet hurt when someone doesn't meet what you'd hoped, like,
연락이 없어서 서운했어요.
I felt let down that you didn't call.
뿌듯하다.
Proud and content is the warm fullness after real effort. Say,
해내서 뿌듯해요.
I feel proud that I pulled it off, and the reward carries over. Two feelings at an ending. Lingering regret is,
아쉽다.
what a pity, and the relief of setting a burden down is,
홀가분하다.
light and free. One farewell can hold both. For deep emotion,
벅차다.
overwhelmed heart brimming, and
뭉클하다.
deeply moved throat tightening, as in,
그 말에 마음이 뭉클했어요.
those words deeply moved me. Anticipation has two shades, the gentle swell of,
설레다.
and the fast beat of,
두근거리다.
heart pounding, as in,
첫 여행이라 두근거려요.
my heart's pounding, it's my first trip. Now expressions painted with,
마음.
the heart when worry lifts,
마음이 놓이다.
to feel relieved, as in,
무사하다니 마음이 놓여요.
I'm so relieved you're safe. Weighed by worry,
마음이 무겁다.
heavy-hearted, shaken off,
마음이 가볍다.
light-hearted, painting the heart as weight so very Korean. When emotion surges and your throat catches,
울컥하다.
to well up, when gratitude or sorrow floods in at once.
편지를 읽다가 울컥했어요.
I welled up reading the letter. See, upset and let down, brimming and moved, each a slightly different grain. The more you catch these fine shades, the deeper and warmer your Korean becomes. Feelings aren't meant to be swallowed alone but shared. Feeling another's heart together, that's
공감.
empathy. The classic empathy line.
많이 속상했겠어요.
You must have been so upset.
겠어요.
Is a tender ending that guesses at another's heart. This one phrase melts the tension away. For happy news, rejoice big together.
얼마나 기뻤어요.
How glad you must have been.
정말 설렜겠어요.
You must have been so thrilled. Echoing the heart doubles the joy. Sometimes being there comforts more than perfect words.
괜찮아요. 제가 곁에 있을게요.
It's okay. I'll be by your side. Remember the warmth of this line. When such hearts pile up, they become Korea's
정.
jeong. The deep warm bond between people who've shared time, beyond what words can say.
정.
Shows in little things asking,
밥은 먹었어요.
have you eaten? Quietly adding one more side dish. That is the jeong of Koreans. Today we learn to paint the heart in Korean. For core feelings, joining causes with
아서, 어서,
subtle nuances, empathy and comfort, and even
정.
What did your heart feel today? Share it gently in the comments. Let's meet again for the Korean of the heart. And don't forget to subscribe and like.